Hello everyone, welcome back to James' marketing channel. Today's clip I will instructing people to use software tools, help us create, and mass management. It's even unlimited. The fan pages on Facebook. Today I will guide everyone how we create page profiles from Facebook accounts. First, we will go to the page admin. Go to create page profile. You can see our setup here. There are some setup. The first is that we'll set up the number of simultaneous runs. This is equivalent to the number of our Facebook accounts. We'll run at the same time. How many pages does each account create? I will only create one page at a time. That and an account can create about 10 to 20 pages. Depending on each account, I will create a page one day. And 10 days later, we can have one account can create 10 pages. Next, I'll create a name here. Fill in the page names here. Each name will be in a line. And the category I'm going to leave is entertainment. This is the category. In the description of the channel I will the information of my contact address. Next, I will add some contact information such as website phone number and contact address. I will finally choose the ones avatar photo folder and cover photo. For these pages, this is the folder. I made an avatar for that page. And now it is. I'll just need to select the accounts. Facebook let me automatic use. These are the Facebook accounts. Their UID has password and so on. I will automatically use these Facebook accounts to go create fan pages. And people imagine that every account, each Facebook account can be. That's 10 to 20 pages, right? I have 9 of these Facebook accounts. A lot of fan pages, 50 fan pages. Now, I'm going to create it automatically from these new account. So now I'm going to start this. And the software will automatically generate it. Anyone can watch on the screen in. If everyone needs a live demo there, you can contact me directly through Tele or WhatsApp. Bye everyone.